Amazon just leaked everything about the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Well, we previously had the leak on the Galaxy Watch 4 in Samsung's own content, which we talked about. It leaked alongside the new Fold, Z Fold 3. But it was very subtle. Obviously, specs is probably more interesting than the little side image we got. There's the blacked out model I was looking for.
Yes.
Standard Galaxy Watch 4 will land in 40 millimeter and 44 millimeter sizes and ape the design language of the older Galaxy Watch Active 2 with an aluminum case. Compact, lightweight, sporty design, larger 44 millimeter device will have a 1.39 inch AMOLED display and a 361 milliamp hour battery. Okay, that's not bad stuff right there. I will wear the black one, no problem. I'll wear the black one, Will. You know I'd wear that.
Yeah, it looks rugged.
I could put that on. I could put that thing on. Okay, what do we got? It will have body composition analysis, sleep tracking, VO2 max, blood oxygen, heart rate. Okay, it's got everything you want. I'll give it a shot. Oh, we have pricing leaked out as well.
In Canada.
And release date. So release date 27th of August. And yeah, weird. So the leak was Amazon Canada?
Yes.
Oh, interesting. Galaxy Watch 4 40 millimeter, $246 USD. Galaxy Watch 4 44 millimeter, $276 USD. And then the classic model, 42, is $341, all the way up to $370 for the biggest of the bunch, a 46 millimeter model. I suppose classic just refers to the casing around the thing. Is that the difference between aluminum and steel? Scroll to the very top. Let's just make sure I'm not completely wrong on that. Standard and classic. One is premium. Active has the aluminum case, and it's a lightweight. But did they tell us what the classic is made of? Anyway, whatever. It's going to have a more kind of robust feeling to it.
Yeah.
I'm sure they do just like Apple does.